In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos using Chat GPT. I'll take you step by step from the first process to the last process, starting with Chat GPT and then creating the video using another software program called Pictory. So let's get started. Chat GPT is an amazing tool that allows you to do a lot of writing tasks. It's like a virtual assistant and it's really cool. If you haven't signed up for it yet, make sure to check the link in the description and sign up. Trust me, you're missing out if you're not using it. I already have a topic for our video. We're going to create a YouTube short on the concept of best food. But remember, you can use this process for any type of YouTube video, whether it's a short or a longer one. The steps remain the same. Now, I'm going to tell Chat GPT to write a 30-second YouTube short video script on what are best food. I'll hit enter, and let's see what it comes up with. It provides an informational definition of best food in a concise manner, which is perfect for our video. Now that we have our script, let's move on to Pictory. Pictory is an amazing tool for creating videos on the fly, even if you're not a professional video creator. It's simple and straightforward. Check the link in the description to access Pictory and get a free trial. Use my coupon code for a 20% discount. In Pictory, we'll click on Script to Video. I like to start by adding the video title. In this case, it's What are best food? This way, when we upload it as a YouTube short or on TikTok, viewers will immediately know what the video is about. We'll paste our script into Pictory and format it by separating each sentence onto a new line. This ensures that each sentence becomes a new slide in our video. Then, we'll adjust the scene settings according to our preferences, such as visual selection and new scene settings. Next, we'll choose a video template. I prefer the corporate template, which offers a clean and professional look. Additionally, since we're creating a YouTube short, we'll select the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. This template and aspect ratio works well for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other platforms. Pictory will now generate the slides and search for relevant videos to match each slide. We'll review each slide and ensure that the visuals align with the content. In some cases, we can adjust the positioning of the text or choose different videos to better fit our vision. We can change video or picture manually from slider to get perfect match. To change media, click on Visual and search for media, or we can upload our media from Upload Media. We can add copyright-free music and can generate voice, and also can upload our own voice and music. From background music, we can select any of music. We can listen it before select. For voice generation, click on VoiceOver and select a voice. It will generate automatically. After customizing each slide, we're ready to finalize the video. Pictory will render the video based on our settings and selected visuals. And there you have it. We've successfully created a video using Chat GPT and Pictory. It's a simple and efficient process that anyone can follow. Whether you're creating, please like and subscribe for next video. Thanks for watching.